everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem GameStop gift card using a mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started with the video. Tap open a web browser and in the search box that appears on the screen, type in www.gamestop.com/redeem. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Tap on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner, which is a human figure, and now type in your email address followed by your password for your GameStop account. Once you type in your information, click the sign in button. Once you log into your GameStop account, you can easily redeem your gift card while purchasing an item and checking out with it. Select a product that you'd like to purchase, and once you do that, add the product in your shopping cart. Tap on View Cart in the pop-up, and now go to the checkout page by tapping on Checkout. On the next page, you can go ahead and enter your shipping information if you've not done that yet, and right under Payment, tap on Add Gift Card or Trade-in Credit link. Now, scratch off the metallic strip at the back of your gift card for GameStop and type in your gift card number into the text box. Soon after you do that, type in the PIN code on the next field. The PIN code will be available at the back of your gift card as well. Finally, tap on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card online for GameStop. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.